I bet you're tired of constantly battling colds and flu all through the year, and especially during cold and flu season. Well, a simple cup of tea could be your best weapon for a stronger immune system. These are 5 of the best brews to supercharge your immunity and shorten or prevent a cold or flu. There's nothing more comforting than the soothing warmth of a cup of herbal tea when you're feeling sick or have a painful sore throat. These 5 teas should do the trick. They'll keep your immune system healthy and strong all year long. And watch until the end, where I share a fantastic immune-boosting tea recipe. Number 1. Echinacea tea. Echinacea is one of the most powerful herbs to strengthen a weak immune system or to shorten the duration of a cold if you do become ill. But preventive medicine is always the best medicine, and echinacea excels at prevention as well. This herbal tea stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are important for fighting off infections. And by drinking echinacea tea every day, you can enhance your body's natural defenses and strengthen your resilience so that you never get sick at all. Echinacea tea is also an anti-inflammatory, which can help reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms. It's also an antiviral with antioxidant compounds that help neutralize free radicals, protecting the body from oxidative stress. Simply steep dried echinacea leaves or the pre-made tea bags in hot water for 10 minutes. Number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger is a well-known natural remedy for the immune system and has been used for healing in various cultures for a very long time. It's an anti-inflammatory with antioxidants. Ginger tea also supports a healthy gut, a significant part of health and wellness. This spicy root helps to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which can help you maintain a strong immune system. Ginger is also an antimicrobial, enabling you to effectively fight off bacterial and viral infections. The various gingerols and shogails, the active compounds in ginger, help control and reduce the risk of diseases. These properties, plus all of the vitamins and minerals contained in ginger, are the reason ginger is so effective for sore throats, congestion, cough, fever, runny nose, and nausea. To prepare ginger tea, cut a 1-inch fresh piece of ginger and let it infuse in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. Always use fresh ginger because the pre-made tea bags are often just flavored ginger and don't contain the active ingredients that aid your immune system. Adding a little honey for sweetness will also help coat and soothe a sore throat. Don't forget to add lemon or orange slices, which helps break down the mucus. Or include mint, cinnamon, or turmeric for extra flavor and more immune-boosting ingredients. Number 3. Turmeric tea. Another fantastic herbal tea for immunity is turmeric tea. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin helps regulate and balance the immune response and enhances the body's ability to fight infections. That includes bacterial infections and protecting the body's cells from being invaded by viruses. Turmeric tea is also great for reducing inflammation and soothing a sore throat. To make turmeric tea, you can use fresh turmeric root or turmeric powder. Simply simmer a teaspoon of turmeric in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption and a squeeze of lemon for added vitamin C. Turmeric is a powerhouse for your immune system. Number 4. Elderberry tea. Elderberries are rich in vitamins A and C, and they increase the production of cytokines which play an important role in a healthy immune response. Elderberry is an antiviral and anti-inflammatory, especially against flu viruses. 2 studies were conducted and have shown that elderberries shorten the duration of flu by 4 days, a testament to its effectiveness. To make elderberry tea, use dried elderberries or use an elderberry syrup. Steep the dried berries in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes or add a tablespoon of elderberry syrup to hot water. This delicious tea will help you stay healthy and fight off colds and flu. One caution, however, do not eat these berries raw as they can make you sick. Number 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is known for its refreshing taste and its ability to soothe the respiratory tract. It contains menthol, which is a natural antimicrobial and antiviral. Menthol helps to thin the mucus in the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe while eliminating the bad bacteria. To make peppermint tea, steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water for 10 minutes, or you can add it to any other tea to enhance the flavor. In my opinion, peppermint makes almost everything taste better. As promised, here's a simple and effective homemade immune-boosting tea recipe that includes several ingredients that help keep your immune system strong and resilient. Immune-boosting herbal tea. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger sliced, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or a 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric sliced, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, about half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of dried echinacea, which is optional, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 whole cloves, a pinch of black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin from the turmeric. Instructions: 1. Boil the water. 2. Add the sliced ginger, turmeric, cinnamon stick, and cloves to the boiling water. 3. Lower the heat to a gentle boil and cook for approximately 10 minutes. This allows the flavors and the health-promoting compounds to blend together. 4. If using echinacea, which is optional, add it during the last 5 minutes of simmering. 5. Pour the tea through a strainer into a cup to remove the solid ingredients. 6. Stir in the fresh lemon juice and honey. 7. Add black pepper. 8. Serve and enjoy. You can drink a cup of this tea 1 to 2 times per day. Be sure to incorporate these teas into your daily routine to strengthen your immune system and protect yourself and your family from colds and flu all year long. Stay healthy and keep your body strong. For more natural remedy health tips, watch this video next.